If you love chocolate and coffee, then stick around because this dessert is for you. This mousse fudge hybrid will have your taste buds partying in the streets.
He's got fudge meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
Firstly, let's talk about the chocolate. You must use chocolate with at least 70% cocoa, preferably dark because those roasted cocoa flavors go so well with the coffee. Use any brand you want, but just make sure it's 70%. Now, into a saucepan over a medium heat, add in your cream, freshly ground coffee, and caster sugar or superfine sugar. Whisk until combined well, then switch to a spatula and continue to stir until the mixture almost reaches a boil. Break the chocolate block into pieces and place in a heat-proof jug, and now pour over that hot coffee and cream mix and you'll start to see the chocolate melt into the cream. Stir really well until all the chocolate has broken down and melted, and you have this thick, creamy texture, like between a light mousse and a dense fudge. I know that sounds strange, but trust me, this dessert is both light and dense at the same time. I serve these in glass coffee cups. You can really switch up the sizes as you see fit. Now, it's a really rich dessert, so don't go too big. Small espresso cups are perfect for this. Now, place in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours or overnight, making this dessert perfect for dinner parties because all the work is done in advance. For that cappuccino look, into a small bowl, add in some whipping cream, powdered sugar or icing sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. Mix until firm, but don't over whip it. Now place it on top of the cup and dust with cocoa powder. And there you have it, a dessert that looks and tastes amazing with its dense, creamy mousse texture that you will serve and know that everyone will be leaving your dinner party completely satisfied.